AI search is about to change how people buy almost everything. Not someday, it's already starting. And most people are still using it like Google, but with a nicer face. And that's a mistake. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple things you need to understand about AI and how it affects your business today. 1, we're going to talk about how to use AI like a smart buyer. 2, how to make AI trust your business more. And 3, how to get ready for the moment AI agents are shopping for people because it is coming. This is not hype. This is practical. And by the end, you'll know exactly what to do next. Let's start with the big idea. AI search is not just search. It is decision help. That means people are not just buying words anymore. They're asking for advice. They're asking for comparisons. They're asking what to avoid. They're asking what's worth their money. That changes everything because the old internet was built around clicks. The new internet is built around answers. And the person who understands that early has a huge advantage. So here is learning or lesson number 1. Stop searching like a caveman. Now, I say that with love and respect, but most people still use tiny search terms. You know them. Best laptop, best shoes, best camera, best software. That worked okay when search was just a list of links. But AI search works better when you give it the full situation. The more useful context you give it, the better it can help. So do not ask, what is the best laptop? Ask this instead. I need a laptop for video calls, Google Docs, Canva, simple video editing, and travel. I want long battery life, quiet fans, and I do not care about gaming. Show me 3 smart options, explain the trade-offs, and tell me what kind of buyer should avoid each one. That is a much better prompt. Why? Because now AI knows the job. It knows the limits. It knows what matters, and it knows how to think. Here is the simple buyer prompt that I would use. Tell AI your goal. Tell it your budget. Tell it what matters most. Tell it what you hate. Ask for trade-offs. Ask for what to avoid and ask for sources. And that last part matters because AI can be useful, but it can also be wrong. So do not just ask it for the answer. Ask it to show you its work. For example, if you're buying a vacuum, don't just say best vacuum. Say, I live in a small apartment. I have a dog. I need something quiet. I do not want a huge machine. I care more about easy cleaning than fancy features. Compare 3 options. Tell me what the bad reviews complain about and tell me who should not buy each one. That prompt is gold because bad reviews are where the truth hides. Good reviews tell you why people bought it. Bad reviews, as we all know, tell you why people regret it. And when AI can help you read both sides faster, you become a much smarter and sharper buyer. And this is the first major shift. AI shopping is not about finding more products. We already have too many products, right? AI shopping is about finding the right fit faster. That is useful for everyone. Parents, business owners, students, people buying gifts, people starting side hustles, people who hate opening 30 tabs and then forgetting why they opened them, which is all of us, certainly myself. Now, learning number 2 is for anyone selling anything online. Your product pages need to become easier for AI to understand. This is where a lot of businesses right now are going to get caught sleeping because they think AI search is just another traffic source. It's not. AI search is a filter. It may decide what gets shown, what gets compared, and what gets ignored. So the question is not just, can humans read your page? The question is, can an AI tool or LLM understand your page well enough to recommend it? That is a completely different game. Most product pages are just too vague. They say things like premium quality and trusted solution and best in class and perfect for everyone. Sounds good, doesn't it? But it doesn't help. It's like putting a suit, on a mannequin. It's maybe a suit, but it's still a mannequin. AI needs clear facts. Who's this for? Who's this not for? What problem does it solve? What does it replace? What does it work with? What does it not work with? What is included? What should a first-time buyer know? What are the common mistakes? What are the trade-offs? And on and go. And this is where most businesses can win without being huge, without having a huge marketing budget or department. You do not have to have the biggest brand. You need to have the clearest answer. And that is the new opportunity. So here is a practical fix. Take any product or service page that you have right now, and then add 5 simple sections. First, who is this for? Second, who is this not for? Third, what problem does it solve? Fourth, what should you know before buying? And fifth, how to compare it to other options. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Because those are the questions real buyers ask, and those are the questions AI tools need to answer. Also, stop hiding important details inside images only. Put your key facts in text too. AI tools are getting better at reading images, but clean text is still safer. Make your product names clear. Make your pricing easy to find. Make your refund terms simple. Make your reviews real. And please do not use fake reviews. Do not use fake testimonials or customer stories. That is not marketing. That is a mess with a countdown timer. Use AI to explain better. Use it to organize your product info. Use it to answer buyer questions, to write clear pages, but keep it real. That is how you build trust. And trust is going to matter even more when AI tools are comparing you side by side with everyone else. So when I say you need to get ready for AI search, I'm not saying you need to become some tech genius or guru. You do not. You just need to make your business easier to understand. That alone can put you ahead of a lot of people, because most people will overcomplicate this. They will chase tricks. They'll chase the hacks. They will ask, how do I do the AI game? Wrong question. The better question is, how do I become the clearest, most useful answer in my space? That question will take you much further. A quick break. If this is helping you, see what is coming, hit the like button and subscribe. I promise to read every single comment on these videos. So if you have another idea or a business or a tool that you want to break down next, let me know. Do so in the comments, of course, below. And if you're serious about using AI in your business, a great place to start is with an AI impact audit. It gives you a custom, simple blueprint where AI processes and automations may fit inside your business. The link is in the description below. Now, let's get to learning number 3. AI shopping is moving from helping people choose to helping people act. This is where things get really interesting, because right now, most people think AI shopping means, whatever a chatbot says. Here are some products. But the bigger shift is AI agents. You probably heard about some of these. That means the AI may help compare, decide, and even move closer to checkout. This is why Amazon, Walmart, Google, OpenAI, Perplexity, and others are all moving into AI shopping experiences. They know the shopping journey is getting shorter. And when the journey gets shorter, the first trusted answer matters most. So what should you do with that? What difference does it make? Well, here's the practical move. Build for the question before the purchase. Not just the purchase. Most businesses only focus on the final sale. Buy now, book now, call now. That matters, of course. But AI shopping often starts earlier. People ask things like, what should I buy for this problem? What is the best option for my situation? What should I avoid? What is worth paying more for? What is cheaper but still good? What do beginners get wrong? So create content that answers those questions. Make comparison guides. Make beginner guides. Make mistake guides. Make checklists. Make explainers. Make simple pages that help someone think. Because if your business only shows up when someone is ready to buy, you may be too late. The AI may have already shaped the decision before they ever see you. That is the part people miss. The sale does not start at checkout. The sale starts when your buyer first asks, what should I do? So be there. Be helpful there. Be clear there. And do it without standing desperate. Here's a simple content idea you could use today. Make a page or a video called How to Choose the Right Blank for Blank. Examples: how to choose the right phone system for a small business, how to choose the right CRM for a solo founder, how to choose the right backpack for travel. Another one, how to choose the right AI tool for customer service. Then answer the real questions. Who needs it? Who does not? What should they compare? What mistakes should they avoid? What is worth paying for? What is not worth paying for? That type of content helps humans, and it gives AI more to work with, and that's the sweet spot. Do not write, in other words, for robots or only for search engines. Write for a smart person who is busy and wants the truth fast. This is the person AI is trying to help, and that person is the person you want to serve. So here are the 3 big lessons again. Number 1, use AI search with context, not tiny words. Tell it your goal, your limits, what matters, and what to avoid. Number 2, make your business easier for AI and for humans to understand. Clear pages beat hype all day. Number 3, create content for the question before the purchase, because AI may shape the decision before your buyer ever clicks. That is the new game. And the best part is, you don't need to be perfect to start. You can update 1 page, write 1 guide, fix 1 product description, make 1 comparison chart, record 1 helpful video. Small moves stack up. That's how you get ready without feeling overwhelmed. AI search and AI shopping are not going away. They are going to get better, faster, and more normal. So the smart move is not to panic. The smart move is to adapt early. If you're a buyer, use AI to think better. If you're a business owner, use it to explain better. And if you want help finding where AI can finally fit inside your business, start with that AI impact audit I mentioned earlier. Again, you get a custom blueprint for how AI processes and automations may help your business run more efficiently and smoother, ultimately make more money. And if your business is still missing calls, after hours, or call collisions when more than 1 call comes in at the same time, check out the AI voice receptionist link in the comments and description. It's one of the most cost-efficient ways to help answer calls, capture leads, and stop letting good opportunities slip away. And as always, comment below with the tool or AI that you want me to cover next, and we'll do that together.